Hey kids. Ooh, you found me. It's Fix It with Foxy. Oh yes.
Hi guys. Welcome back. I have a mustache. Welcome back to Foxy Fixes. And I'm going to give you guys a really quick tip on
how to thicken, quicken, and winterize a summer classic like nachos.
I'm dedicated. My rap style on this track is like I'm frustrated. My brother Mike got my back because we motivated. I gotta face the facts because we just made it. Others have duplicated. I'm trying to get situated. And when I go in my zone, others intimidated. I got a strong microphone because they imitate it. You know I drop hard shit like I'm constipated. Them niggas player hated, so I'm sophisticated. A long time I waited, I already demonstrated. Took his food and ate it. That bitch communicated. Keep us all segregated. That's why the people in the world get baited. They elevated to a state in your mind where you all get left behind. Nobody here to find. You running blind. Just stand in the line and wait for your sign. You running out of time. It's the fourth kind. But you don't even know what that is. Me and the Mexican Mike showing you how you supposed to live. You gotta give to receive, believe to achieve. Got nothing on my sleeve. You can wait or you can leave, nigga.
México lindo, barrio prendido, a mi país yo no lo olvido. Oye, loco, no siempre, pero de vez en cuando ando tirando los dados a la vida. Ando en la movida y miro pa' los lados y solo miro pura envidia. Bola de traidores, día a día, busco novia porque me dejó mi morra. No ha dormido, mejor